Okay, now we're going to manipulate our template here. We're going to try to back into different things like interest rate. We're going to back into maybe N, try to find our periods per year, which is the function for that is called nper, nper. That's the function. And so you can use functions within Excel to back into other items. So let's go ahead and we're going to duplicate. So copy. Let's hit escape. Let's recopy that and make sure it's a little bit better. Okay. Command copy. Going to paste. And this time what we have is we have 4,576.55 as our present value. We know we're going to get a future value, but what we don't know, so we're just going to use the same details here, because what we don't know is our NPR. Okay, so let's just go ahead and let's copy these over 784, and we're going to delete these because we're going to use the nper function. So equals nper. Okay, and you can see here this is the help that we're going to get. So we're looking at our annual interest rate. But remember, we're compounding 12. And so what we can do is, in this formula, we can do the annual interest rate divided by 12, or we could just use our calculation that we already have, which is right there for our compounding period that is monthly. We don't have any payments, so we can skip that, just another comma. Our present value, and remember, let's put a negative before that because either the present value or the future value has to be negative. In this case, it doesn't matter. We're going to do our future value. We're not going to worry about the type, and we're just going to solve. And we found that our compounding periods is 84. Now, if we want to convert that to years, what we can do is we can take this and just divide it by 12, and we can get back to our years. Okay, so that's how you can back into your compounding periods. Make sure that you are accounting for the adjustments, whether it's monthly compounding, quarterly, daily. You have to make those adjustments in the calculation. And then if you're trying to go back to annual, you have to convert it back.